Hello friends, Mandar here. I'm back with another video. Today we saw the inauguration of 46th President of the United States, Joe Biden, and Vice President Kamala Harris. There is going to be some changes in the immigration. Of course, the new administration has a different thought about immigration. The new Biden administration will send the new immigration reform bill to the Congress anytime soon now. I have gathered some points what might be in the new immigration reform bill, and I wanted to summarize them for you. So if you're interested in this topic, watch this video until the end and let's get started. Now there are two sources where this information is available, and I will leave those links in the description. Now let's look at the first source, which is The Hill. Now as you can see, Biden to send Congress immigration reform bill after being sworn in as the President of the United States. Now there have been a lot of speculation in the past, which I have done several videos on, but now we have some clarity over what could be in this immigration reform bill. Now one of the key things that the administration is going to propose is US Citizenship Act of 2021. What it means is it provides a pathway to citizenship for millions of immigrants, includes additional funding for technology along the border, aims to address the root cause of migration from Central America, where migrants have fled in thousands to the United States in the recent years. So there is a hodgepodge of things that is proposed in this US Citizenship Act of 2021. Now let's look at what are the particular things that could be included in this. If the legislation is to be passed, it will provide an immediate pathway to green cards for certain individuals, including beneficiaries of temporary protection status, TPS and DACA. Those individuals could then apply for citizenship 3 years after getting the green card. Now those who do not fall in this TPS or DACA but still are undocumented, they will also have a pathway to citizenship in 8 years. It used to be 13 years, but now they are planning to reduce that time frame to 8 years. Now in the past I have mentioned that there was no indication of anything that is proposed for employment based immigration so far. But recently, through these articles, I have come across two such things which are specifically for H-1B. Now what they have said is they will recapture the unused visa numbers from the previous year and make them available for the subsequent years for employment-based category. Now the key difference here is that they will not include family and children as part of the visa numbers. So basically the visa numbers will be only allocated to the principal applicant, which is not the case today. Say for instance, if there is a family of 4, today there are 4 visa numbers that are used up by that family. But in future, what is as per the proposal, the family of 4 will only use 1 visa number, which is incredible because then those remaining 3 visa numbers are still going to be available for the remaining applicants. Now the second thing that they propose regarding the H-1B is that they are going to propose that the dependents of H-1B will also be eligible for an EAD. And another thing is they will prevent the aging out of children. So children who are on their parents' application for adjustment of status, and countries like India have a long backlog. During this time, some children age out in the sense that they turn 21, after which they are no longer eligible to be dependent on their parents' application. But if they have been on that application as before 21, they'll still be able to remain on that application. So this will prevent them from being aging out. Now there are other things that could be included in this immigration reform bill. It would invest in the countries from where we have seen a stream of immigrants or stream of asylum seekers coming into the United States. So the Biden administration plans to address the root cause. They will provide funding to those countries so that those migrants will not see a need to leave their country and travel to the United States. Also, there could be a proposal to stop the funding for the border wall that was started by the previous administration, and those funds could be redirected to other infrastructure priorities such as security at the borders and the port of entries. Another thing that is going to happen is they're going to stop, or they are going to revert the entry ban for 13 countries individuals for which the previous administration had stopped giving out visas for. So there was a travel ban and there was an entry ban for individuals from 13 different countries. Those were Muslim majority. So Biden is expected to remove that ban immediately. Now it remains to be seen what are the actual proposals, but these are the highlight points that I just wanted to give out. Again, I will leave the links in the description, and as and when we get to see the actual proposal, I'll make sure to make a video and let you know all about it. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you like this video, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.